Today we're taking a deep dive into one of Nikon's most popular entry-level DSLRs, the Nikon D3300. Design build quality. The Nikon D3300 is lightweight, weighing just about 460 grams with the battery, making it super portable for travel and everyday use. The polycarbonate body feels solid, though it's not weather-sealed. Sensor image quality. The D3300 features a 24.2 megapixel APS-C CMOS sensor without an optical low-pass filter, which means sharper and more detailed images. It handles colors beautifully, skin tones look natural, and landscapes pop with rich detail. Video capabilities. The Nikon D3300 records full HD 1080p at up to 60 frames per second. That was a big deal when it launched. The video quality is crisp with good detail and colors, but since there's no 4K and no continuous autofocus tracking in video, it's not the best option for vloggers today. Battery life. Battery life is excellent, about 700 shots per charge, which is impressive compared to many modern mirrorless cameras that drain batteries faster. Overall, if you're a beginner photographer, student, or just someone who wants sharp images on a budget, thank you so much.